Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the API 16C standard for Weld Non-Destructive Examination, or NDE. This video is designed specifically for welding inspectors, engineers, and professionals in the oil and gas industry. Our goal is to provide you with a clear understanding of the inspection processes that ensure safety and reliability in pressure-containing welds. Let's begin with an overview of API 16C. This standard sets the criteria for inspecting weldments, emphasizing the importance of adherence to precise methods and acceptance criteria. Whether you're dealing with corrosion-resistant weld overlays or pressure-containing welds, knowing these standards is crucial. Firstly, we'll cover visual inspection, a fundamental step in the NDE process. According to Section 6.6.2, every weld must undergo a 100% visual inspection, post-weld heat treatment, and machining. The welding inspector ensures that there is complete joint penetration in pressure-containing welds, and that undercuts do not reduce thickness below required minimums. Watch out for surface porosity and exposed slag, especially within half an inch of sealing surfaces, as these are strictly prohibited. Next, let's delve into surface examinations, essential for both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. For ferrous materials, magnetic particle examination is the method of choice. As per ASTM E709, use the wet fluorescent method, but avoid prods on wetted or sealing surfaces. For non-ferrous materials, liquid penetrant examinations are conducted per ASTM E165, focusing on accessible sealing surfaces after final heat treatment. Acceptance criteria for these inspections are stringent. For pressure contact sealing surfaces, no relevant indications are permissible. On other surfaces, the criteria are specific. No indication should be equal to or exceed 3/16 of an inch. There should be no more than 10 indications within a 6 square inch area, and a line of 4 or more indications spaced less than 1/16 of an inch apart is unacceptable. By adhering to these guidelines, you ensure the integrity and safety of weldments, providing confidence in the systems you oversee. Remember, precision and strict adherence to standards are your best tools for success. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has enhanced your understanding of the API 6C weld inspection process. Stay informed, stay precise, and continue ensuring the highest standards in your work. For further details, please feel free to contact us.